Hey guys, what's up? Two Wheel Turban, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys some of the first basic ways to start wheeling on a super sport like on this Yamaha R6. It's really intimidating and scary, but I'm going to break down a few of my clips of some really small baby wheelies and just give you guys an idea, where you should start out at, and you don't have to go into anything crazy like 12 o'clock. So yeah guys, let's jump straight into the video. Alright guys, first off, try to find somewhere where there's no cars, it's not busy. I found a local park and this is where I practice. Try to find somewhere where you feel comfortable and there's not going to be any outside stresses that add to, the stress of doing a wheelie, because it is really scary. So here I am on a straight road, good grip, and first gear, clutch in. I revved to probably about 8,000, brought it up, and I brought it right back down. And so right now, I'm just practicing rear brake control, and we'll break down that same wheelie again right now. Alright guys, so I'm going to slow it down here. So what you're first going to want to make sure you do is, like I said, find a really good straight road. And right before you pull that clutch in, make sure your bars are completely straight. You're looking forward. Don't be looking straight down or anything. You want to be looking forward as far as possible. So here we go. We're slowing down the clip right here. So you can see I'm straight. I feel comfortable. Got that right foot on the rear brake, over it. Clutch out. I went up for a second. And so in the beginning, you're going to want to do baby wheelies like this. You don't want to try to chase them out. Trust me, I do that sometimes and it's not smart. That's how you get some bad crashes. But yeah, I'm going to pull another wheelie video up and we'll analyze that one. All right, I'm going to let you guys watch this one and then we'll analyze it. Alright guys, so with this wheelie right here, I chased it, and I really don't like how I chased it. So if you're doing this, don't chase it as hard. In the beginning, you just want to focus on bringing it up and getting used to that feeling of it coming up, because on a sport bike like a Yamaha R6, the feeling of it coming up is just so much more scary than something like a dual sport or a supermoto. It's something you really have to get used to and make sure you got that foot on your rear brake. So here we go, clutch in, first gear, boom, up. It's up, and you can see it's way below balance point, and I got that right foot over the rear brake just in case I went too high. But you can see I chased that, and you definitely don't want to do that too much. But we'll check out another clip. Another quick thing to add is make sure you land with your bars straight. That's definitely important. Alright guys, I'll let you guys watch this one real quick and then we'll analyze it as well. Alright, I'm happy I'm showing you guys this clip because it's going to display, how important throttle control is. When you're doing a wheelie, honestly, if you have amazing throttle control, you really never need your rear brake. So whenever you're learning to do wheelies, try not to be choppy. If you guys looked at my YouTube channel in the past, you saw that one of my last loops was due to a choppy throttle. You got to be really smooth with the throttle, and right here I didn't really do that. You'll see I'll pop it up, but it's like it comes back down and then I chop it and try to bring it back up. What you want to do is try to bring it up just nice and smooth and stay right there, especially in the beginning. You don't have to do anything fancy, like those guys down the street that, they can do all the crazy, they have so much control over their bike that, us as beginners don't. So it's up, and you'll see it'll drop for a second. I try to keep it up, which isn't good to do. It's better just to let it come back down nice and smooth. So yeah guys, focus on a really steady and smooth throttle hand, and that's going to make this experience so much better. Alright, I'll show you guys a few more clips. Alright guys, that clip right there shows you exactly what you shouldn't be doing as a beginner. Do not chase that out like that. Look how dumb that was. Alright guys, we're going to slow this one down again, and this time I just want to talk about when doing wheelies, when going out to practice, try to go in with a really positive mindset. If you go in thinking, what if I crash, all that type of stuff, trust me, whenever I have those thoughts, those are usually the times when I do crash. So when you do it, try to just have a positive mindset, say, I'm going to do this well. I don't have to do anything crazy, but everything I do is going to be smooth and in control. So yeah, guys, I hope this video had a few tips that, may help you with your beginning stages of wheelies. Clearly you can see I am nowhere near anywhere good. But yeah, guys, just get out there, go try it. It's always good to try to expand on the type of skills that you have on a motorcycle. You may not like it, you may like it, fall in love with it. But just get out there on your bikes, find a nice empty place, go out with some buddies or friends, and just start working on it. It's going to be scary at first, but I know you guys can figure it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and hopefully we can get some better wheelie videos coming up in the future with some better height and better control. Until next time, guys, though, I'll see you later.